my brother Isaac, yesterday, his birthday was his birthday, and he got himself a drone. Right, Isaac?
Yep.
And flies pretty good. As an HD camera, you better work out, Isaac. I think staying pretty close. And I had to learn the hard way.
And I also bought some, I made like a fort of like these sticking balls.
Here's how it looks, guys. He spent $100 on these. I'm gonna let you guys see the takeoff. You're getting close to me. I'm gonna hide it in my R4 now. Is it my turn yet?
No. Here. Watch out, Noah.
You're flying this into here? No, don't. You're landing. Don't. I'm in here with Black Dog and Arfie. Isaac. Huh?
Safety sound.
Okay, is it my turn yet, guys?
Okay.
Isaac? Here you go.
Wait.
You take over.
Wait, okay, wait. Let me set down. Okay.
No, Isaac. Just leave it down here. I'll fly it.
Okay.
Here, Isaac. You take control.
Wait. You had to turn off and then back. No, turn off and turn.
Sorry, guys. This happens a lot. Over airborne. Come on, Isaac, follow me. See, I've been
It's going down.
very slow, guys. That sucks.
Okay.
That's
It looks
really
like
it.
we have to go. So, bye.
Bye, guys.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. We're posting this on one of our channels.